Meta has released SAM3D, a brand new AI model that can turn ordinary photographs into fully segmented and textured 3D models. That means whether you have an image of a building, furniture, or even a person, this tool can generate a spatially accurate 3D reconstruction. Today, I'm going to walk you through how it works, what it can do, and why it could change the way designers, architects, 3D artists, and content creators work. Let's begin. You can try it by searching for SAM3D and opening the Meta AI link. In the web version, head into the playground and click Try It. You need to accept the terms of service and acceptable use policy of Segment Anything Playground to reach the playground. Among the available options, we will focus on the Create 3D Scenes. To begin, upload an image that contains elements such as buildings or furniture. For the first demonstration, an aerial photograph is used. You can choose the structure you want to turn into a three-dimensional model by clicking until the pink selection completely outlines the building. The tool also allows adding more objects, which we will discuss on the second demonstration. After the model appears, you can rotate it, zoom in or out, and change the viewing angle. The overall proportions and form of the architecture are captured surprisingly well. Once the model is created, you will see a menu to add three-dimensional effects. These effects are not strictly architecture-oriented, but they can produce very striking visual results. Some of them could be useful for architecture presentations, web design, and online portfolios because they add depth and motion, making visuals appear more dynamic. There is also the Environment Effects tab from which you can add different sketchy styles, such as hand-drawn, edge detection, tune, etc. Visual filters such as rain, snow, bubbles, etc. can also be added, though they do not align with the tone of architectural concepts. Backgrounds can be added as well. They are fun to experiment with, but not always suitable for professional design work. After adjusting everything, you can download the model as a video, a still image, or a three-dimensional file. The PLY format can be opened in Blender, or you can convert it into another format suitable for SketchUp or similar tools. SAM3D seems especially effective for interior design tasks, particularly when extracting furniture from interior photographs. Furniture typically has simpler shapes than full buildings, so the results tend to be more consistent. This makes it useful for creating mood boards for teams or clients. You can extract a model directly from a photo and place it inside your interior scene to test whether it fits visually and spatially. You can also add or remove elements from the generated models. If a piece of furniture does not fit the style or arrangement, you can delete it and replace it with another one extracted from a different image. There are many possible applications. For example, I've used SAM3D to extract buildings from various scenes and create quick three-dimensional context models of surrounding environments. You can turn buildings from reference photos into simplified forms and place them around your main design. It is not intended for detailed architectural modeling, but it performs extremely well for early design stages, massing studies, urban context exploration, and fast visualizations. If you have suggestions, ideas, or features you'd like me to explore in the future videos, leave a comment. I'd love to hear how you think this tool could support your design workflow. Thank you for watching.